Hi, this is week 4's quiz. Talking about functional behavior analysis and why it's important, and looking at that instead of the form of behavior. When looking at a functional behavior analysis, what's really important is looking at what happens prior to the type of behavior, which is the antecedent. So you want to look at that in terms of what's happening before the student performs the kind of behavior. What was the trigger that the student experienced or set off the student in terms of then that behavior occurring? And then you want to make sure you record what kind of behavior occurred or happened, and then you want to make sure you write down what kind of consequence happened. And by doing this, then you determine what kind of pattern happens. So maybe you have a student that gets upset every time that there are loud noises that happen in the classroom and is not able to work and refuses then to work, gets really upset, starts having a meltdown, maybe starts crying and screaming loudly and can't work themselves. And so noticing that pattern of behavior, you are then able to set a behavior plan in place in terms of being able to allow that student maybe to wear noise canceling headphones or put them into an area where there's a quiet space for them to work where it's not so noisy, so that you eliminate that behavior. Or if it's something else, some other type of behavior, then you can replace, find something to replace that behavior with. So that's why it's important to look at the functional behavior analysis and not what kind of behavior, just the form of behavior that it is. You want to look at all the things. So really it's the ABCs of functional behavior, the antecedent, the behavior, and the consequence, to be able to do what's best for the student or the individual so that you can try to replace what's happening with a different behavior and make it better for that individual. Thanks.